Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover hidden gems and share the best travel experiences with you. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to the enchanting city of Trieste, Italy. From stunning architecture to mouth-watering cuisine, Trieste has something for every traveler. Join us as we explore the top 8 must-do activities in this captivating city. Let's dive in and discover the best of Trieste together. Number 8. Castello de Miramare. This enchanting white palace was constructed for Archduke Maximilian of Austria and his wife Charlotte of Belgium between 1855 and 1860, before they briefly became the Emperor and Empress of Mexico. Perched above the sea, the palace offers stunning views from nearly every window in its lavishly decorated and furnished rooms. In addition to exploring the interior, visitors can stroll through the terraced gardens in the park for more breathtaking views of the Adriatic. The 54-acre grounds, designed by the Archduke himself and now preserved as the Parco Marino di Miramare, are adorned with tropical and exotic trees and plants. Number 7. See the panorama from Pharo della Vitoria. Both a monument and a functional lighthouse, Pharo della Vitoria was built after World War I to honor those who died at sea during the war, and to celebrate Trieste's incorporation into the Kingdom of Italy after its long occupation by the Austrian Empire. The lighthouse's location is symbolically significant as it stands on the foundations of a former important Austrian fort. At the top of the lighthouse is a 7-meter-tall statue of the Winged Victory, holding a raised torch in one hand and a laurel branch in the other. At the base of the tower stands an 8.6-meter statue of an unknown seaman, created by sculptor Giovanni Meyer. Below this statue is the anchor of the destroyer Audace, marking the historic entry of the first Italian ship into Trieste. Number 6. Explore the Grat Gigante. The 50-minute guided tour of this karst cave, located about 20 kilometers from the city center, can't cover everything, but you'll be amazed by the main underground chamber, which is 98 meters high, 76 meters wide, and 167 meters long. The chamber and other galleries you'll visit are adorned with stalactites and stalagmites in various colors and intricate shapes. Until 2010, the Guinness Book of Records listed Grat Gigante as the largest tourist-accessible cave in the world, a title now held by La Verne Cave in southwest France. Remember to bring a jacket, as the temperature inside never exceeds 55 degrees. Number 5. Take a day trip to Lake Bled and Ljubljana. One of the most picturesque locations in nearby Slovenia is Lake Bled, situated about 100 kilometers from Trieste. This stunning, clear glacial lake is set against a backdrop of mountains, with a charming village along its wooded shore and a postcard-perfect island at its center. The island is home to a beautiful Gothic church with a spire. Swans glide across the lake, and walking paths extend along the shore from the village, where the 12th century Bled Castle sits atop a steep 130-meter cliff overlooking the lake. While you can reach Lake Bled by bus via the capital city of Ljubljana, which is also worth a visit for its unique architectural heritage, the easiest way to see both attractions is to take the 7-hour Lake Bled and Ljubljana tour from Trieste. Number 4. Castello di San Giusto. Atop San Giusto Hill sits a castle constructed by the Habsburgs between the 15th and 17th centuries to expand a medieval Venetian fortress that had replaced earlier Roman fortifications. Visitors enter the castle via a wooden drawbridge over a narrow moat to explore its vaulted halls and ascend to its ramparts. The ramparts offer panoramic views of the city, the Gulf of Trieste, and the surrounding hills. Inside the castle, there are displays of weapons from medieval times to the 19th century, along with furniture and tapestries. The Lapidario Terrestino houses 130 Roman stone artifacts from the city, including statues from the amphitheater. Halfway up Castle Hill, at Piazza San Silvestro, you can admire the Baroque interior of the 17th century Jesuit church of Santa Maria Maggiore. Number 3. Piazza dell'Unità d'Italia. The largest square in Trieste's historic district is the Piazza dell'Unità d'Italia, which overlooks the harbor. The north side is bordered by the Palazzo del Governo, built in 1904. while the south side features the grand 1882 Palazzo of Lloyd Triestino, a shipping line established in 1836 as the Austrian Lloyd Company. On the east side, the 1876 Palazzo del Municipio, City Hall, adds to the late 19th century architectural harmony of the square. Northeast of Piazza dell'Unità d'Italia, the Teatro Verdi faces the waterfront. For excellent views of the town and harbor, walk to the Molo Audace, the pier across from the theater. For further information on top attractions, visit the Trieste Tourism Information Office located in the piazza. Number 2, take a day trip to Pjama Castle and Postojna Cave, just a few minutes apart and 48 kilometers from Trieste in neighboring Slovenia. The 800-year-old Pjama Castle and Postojna Cave are among the most popular attractions near the city. Pjama Castle, located near the charming village of Pjama, is an impressive site, built high on a vertical 123-meter cliff and integrated into the mouth of a massive cave. Its strategic defensive position allowed it to withstand a siege for over a year, thanks to an underground water source and supply tunnels within the cave network. Nearby, the Postojna Cave is part of the same karst cave system and is one of the world's largest karst caverns. It's the only cave of its size that can be toured on an electric train. The tour takes you through a network of tunnels, passages, and magnificent galleries filled with a variety of features and vibrant colors. Number 1. Museum of Natural History. The highlight of this outstanding museum is a 3.6-meter-long Hadrosaurus fossil discovered near Trieste, almost completely intact and anatomically connected. Its other paleontology exhibits are impressive, including a section on the evolution of hominids, humans, and their fossil ancestors, featuring the skull of the man from Montpaderno, found in Istria in the late 1800s. The museum also has casts of significant fossil hominids, including the famous Lucy. The zoological exhibits showcase mammals from around the world, along with freshwater and saltwater fish, corals, reptiles, amphibians, and birds. Additionally, there is an excellent mineral collection and a large exhibit on local plants and those from other parts of Italy and the Adriatic.